Welcome back to the channel. The all-new 2025 GMC Terrain is here, bigger, bolder, and smarter than ever before. If you're looking for a compact SUV with premium features, off-road capability, and cutting-edge technology, this might be the perfect choice for you. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the 2025 Terrain, from its performance to pricing. GMC has given the Terrain a refreshed look for 2025, featuring a bold front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and an overall more aggressive stance. The rugged body design makes it stand out in the crowded SUV market. Plus, with new 19-inch alloy wheels and updated color options, the Terrain is turning heads on the road. For adventure seekers, the Terrain at 4 comes with skid plates, off-road tires, and an upgraded AWD system, making it perfect for tackling rough terrain. Step inside, and you'll find a high-tech, driver-focused cabin. The 2025 Terrain features a larger 12-inch digital instrument cluster and an upgraded 11.3-inch touchscreen, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Other features include premium leather seating available on Denali trim, heated and ventilated front seats, Bose premium sound system, panoramic sunroof for an open-air feel. Under the hood, GMC offers two powerful engine options for the 2025 Terrain. 1.5L turbocharged 4-cylinder, 175 HP, improved fuel efficiency. 2.0L turbocharged engine, optional, 252 HP, better towing capacity. And with an advanced AWD system and improved suspension tuning, the Terrain delivers a smooth and confident ride on all terrains. Show animation of GMC Pro safety features in action. GMC continues to prioritize safety with the latest version of GMC Pro Safety, which includes forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking. Now, let's talk pricing. The 2025 GMC Terrain is available in multiple trims to fit different needs and budgets. SLE trim, starting at $30,000. SLT trim, starting at $34,500. At 4, off-road trim around $37,000. Denali, luxury trim around $41,000. The 2025 GMC Terrain is packed with modern features, great performance, and top-notch safety, making it one of the best compact SUVs of the year. But what do you think? Is the Terrain the perfect SUV for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews.